Welcome back to Unboxing with Zulu. Restocking is my favorite hobby. Oh my god! I am very excited. Today I get to share with you guys. Let's start restocking with my favorite Garnier serums. Dip, dip, dip. Now it's time for native coconut petroleum. A plenty of chopsticks for my dry chapped lips. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Now I'm going to put some variety of fruity lip masks. Oh, again for lips. Finally, some cute, refreshing face mask. Important part of skincare. 2 sets of cleansing pads. 2 big headband. Very basic Vaseline, Nivea, and cleanser. Oh, my eyes glitter when I see so many hairband because that's all I want.